This brand is made in America by GE Appliances, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. The brand features aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The brand uses hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. Their Insta-Position technology allows for installation in multiple ways without having to change the position of internal components, which allows for quicker and easier installation. The NF96U S models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a 96% AFUE efficiency and a fixed-speed blower motor, while the NF96U V models are premium two-stage furnaces with a variable-speed blower motor. The NF97U M models are their entry in the ultimate category, with a modulating gas valve and a more durable stainless steel primary heat exchanger. The warranty on the units is not as good as other brands, as it does not include a furnace replacement guarantee in case of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.